In this video, I'll show you how to open a Ria Money Transfer account in 2025. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, download the Ria Money Transfer app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. When you open the app, you'll see an option to register. Tap on Register to begin creating your account. Now choose your country of residence. The app might detect it automatically, but if not, you can select it manually. After that, tap Continue. Next, you'll need to create your account. Enter your email address and choose a password. Then, tap Continue. After that, enter your mobile phone number. Ria will send you a security code to verify your number. Enter that code when you receive it. Once your number is verified, you'll be asked to set up your account. You can choose to enable Face ID for easy access or tap Not Now if you prefer not to. Now you'll see a welcome message. Tap Send Money Now to start using the app. And that's it. That's how you can open Ria Money Transfer account.